Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by today. Thought I'd do a little informational video for anyone out there looking to upgrade their sink in their RV to the RecPro split sink. This is their composite model in white. There's several out there, but I thought I would do a little informational video on the exact dimensions of this because it can be a little confusing, and I thought more information is needed to make this purchase at least an intelligent purchase. So let me just pull out a tape measure here and show you some of the dimensions. So as you look at the top of the unit here, let me pull out a tape measure. I'm going to show you where this measures exactly, so you know. Really like this unit as I get the tape measure out. Oops, sorry. So from top lip to top lip, it's almost exactly 19 inches. From side to side, we're looking at 25 more or less. It's actually a little less than 25. Again, this is the upper lip, so 19 by 25. Now let's flip this over. So each side has a different size of lip. To note, the top of the sink, you're looking at about a 3-inch lip, exactly 3 inch. Over here, still 3 inch, but look at the dimensions here. It changes to about 1 3/4. So just note that this is going to sit in 3 inches here, and then it's going to vary up here to about 2 inches. This was new to me. Side lip, we're looking at just between 1 1/2 and 1 1/4. As you can see there. Flip around to this side. All the same dimensions here. Take note, that's about 1 1/4. 1 1/4. Somewhere in there in depth. And the last side, just about the same, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, right in there. So there you go. There's the dimensions of the unit. So some things to note here is this little bubble here that got me, and there you have it. Let me do a dimension of the bowl. So the bowl more or less is right around 14 1/2, give or take. The bowl on this side is right around 16, a little less than 16. We're looking at maybe 15 1/2. So there you go. Just make note, a couple of things to note with this, because I had to make some special modifications because things weren't exactly as they appeared on the the website and on Amazon. Well, actually, it was on Amazon. So there you go. Hopefully this was helpful to someone. Any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for stopping by.